If you are facing a ban on Wizz, here are 4 ways you can potentially get unbanned. First is by using a VPN service. A VPN can change your IP address by routing your internet connection through a different server, making it seem you're like accessing the platform from another location. This is especially helpful if your ban is linked to your IP address. So first, subscribe to a VPN service, for example, NordVPN. Install the VPN app on your device, choose any server location and change your IP, and then open Wizz and your ban may be lifted. Second method is to use a different device. If your ban is linked to your device and not your account or IP, you can try logging in into your Wizz from a different device. This can be effective if the app detects multiple violations from your current device. Third is to contact customer support. If you feel the ban was unjust, reach out to Wizz customer support team to resolve the issue. Be clear and concise in explaining why you believe the ban was a mistake. So to do this, open the Wizz app, go to settings, and tap help and support and explain your situation. If you're unable to resolve the ban through customer support, you can submit an official appeal. You can just email contact@wizz.chat with details of your situation. While using methods like VPNs and submitting appeals are not illegal, it's important to act ethically and comply with Wizz terms of service. Violating these terms can lead to more severe consequences, including permanent bans.